Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial, how to use the lasso copy. So as example, I will create object with this brush tool. Now if you want to create lasso copy, you can click this icon lasso, and I will select at this point, release. Now if you want to copy this selection lasso, you can click the selection tools and then click copy. Next you can click again, we can select paste. So you can move into another area and you can click these icons to create the object. Okay, we back again into these objects and then I will create lasso again at this point. Now to copy, you can go to selection, click copy, and the next you can click paste. So we create these two objects. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis X tutorial, how to lasso copy. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.